Judith, good night. Sauce boss, where you trouble over here?
Better know, my boss.
Yeah, be man. I'm just like a call and walk and talk and I swear be.
No, here what now? I have a flow Wi-Fi. I have to lower it and go up on the diesel Wi-Fi a while ago. Flow disappoint, my brother.
Disappoint.
I have a big contract with Flow. I might as well them take back them contract and them a flap the thing.
So you're going right, fam?
But I'm just a forward from America, man. Tired, mash up. But I'm not show you something. Look like I'm not for show you, so I'm not going to show you again.
Nah, man. Show me, man. It's as you walk in the house and what yeah.
Yeah, you love to fuck you. I say, watch out. Alright, watch out. But I'll go back to the door, see?
Mind Wi-Fi fuck up again, you know.
Bro, still that's you. Where there? You gone?
No, I'm there.
Come here, says me walking. Look who there, man.
Sheng that?
Sheng, man.
Well, the picture, pull it on myself, Ashina at the house. That picture you show me,
yeah, that's Sheng there. Sheng there, man. I pray.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you know that smiles. I like her voice and I like her song. The people them there cost me through, me say them don't know a good song. But let me tell you what I know.
Yeah.
Brother, everybody have them views. Nothing is wrong with that. But you cannot hear a song that talk about positivity and you say, it not sound good.
I saw them still.
The song that talk about positivity, the song that talk about things that happen in all our life and our voice sound good and you can feel pain nice. So why not that not feel like? So we don't want to hear down in your throat and come talk about a big song that I know for the days of my throat.
No, you see it better.
Yeah. But that me I tell you that that's why the music now get better because the good song them now get the love. Me I tell you, you have a little youth that will sing one song. Yo, God don't remember the song. We don't remember the name, but me always a play it.
What song that?
One song where man I talk about like in front of looking woman man and in, you know? Or singer youth man.
And the video went to start like you might call him friend and like the friend and the next friend and the woman up on the veranda talk.
The song there.
And the friend and the woman up on the video talk and she look and say no some wife for a long time.
And squeeze all the girl body when them go upstairs.
Oh, you know, at church.
Yeah. When him again? You know what song me attack?
Yeah, man, I say you know on church.
Brother, the baddest song that we end the year last year, and them just look on the little youth. A liquid and them and they alone here a beat off the radio there.
Yeah, man, I know the song you are talking about.
Brother, I tell you the baddest song.
In some bridge, you're not talking about that song. Hold on, let me see if I find him number.
So last you know have the song. You want to wicked one, them when I have a song.
No, man, hold on, I remember the youth. Remember the youth, yeah, man. Hold on.
I'm next one. I have a life mash up.
Oh, you don't know that song there?
Yo, and I'm a song, yo. Sometimes I can't, but sometimes my brain not there, yeah, my G. See people, see that the song name Funny Oh.
Funny
Oh? Yo.
Yes, Funny Oh, yeah.
So you know the song?
Yeah, man, I'll search for you right now. Funny Oh. Yeah, man.
Love, I have the song I'm in 5 business paper right now. You have it?
Hey, yo, don't matter start. The money put up something there. Don't matter start it. Don't matter start. The money put up something there.
I think the new name Unsound minor Unsound. Yo, something here, man. I'm a G though. Big song.
Funny Oh.
See somebody I know I tell me say me a John Cash career. Hello, Cash is not signed to me. Okay, people. My man is 3 artists. My man is Shenseea, Ding Dong, and Up Top Boss, right? Any other artist I'm still working just because I respect and rate them. Like you have Mayan, you have Sauce Boss, you have Cash, you have Taras, right? Them people are our family, our friends. So we work with them and we record them and we push them thing. Don't enough up and talk about me and mash up nobody's career because I am not about that.
You hear that?
Good. I make them know, man, every time I just take set for me, so now because he's a cool and genuine youth, you don't want to take set for me, everything gonna cost me about, what?
That's true.
Now because my head big, I'm ugly like lava. Still have feelings.
It's remember it's not a crime of being ugly though.
Huh?
It's not a crime being ugly.
No, because Shenseea DJ ugly in a blood clot, DJ Black Boy. And I'm still a brother. Rough.
That's true. It's not a crime of being ugly.
Yeah. So you go, everybody can pretty, everybody can slim and six pack.
Sure. And your body foot can straight.
Yeah. Sometimes my foot have to see, I mean, you have to see somebody walk and for you see them, my foot say, okay.
Right. Your body foot have to live good and you end up in one end when they're ready.
Yeah. Then I say, go, brother, sometimes, yo, today me I walk and my left foot I say, yo, along time you look the right foot I be nearly drop.
Yo, but end of the day, find the song, brother? Nah, me can't find the song. I do that, man. Me have the song, man. But you, when me get the new song,
you man, God, to find the song.
No, when me get the new song, them, me never label out some of them.
Oh, you're unprofessional and lazy because you sell merch. Take up your time. You don't get a little free time the way you set. You see me? I understand it, man. No, you tell me. Now, a solid song that.
Solid.
Because you have some artists in a G, them lyrics solid, but them voice not good. I have some artists when on the lyrics and them voice good.
Yes.
Double dose that.
Double dose.
You see me?
That's when he's a songwriter.
Yeah.
You know where that song has sound like. I know, say, the artist have to get that song there.
Yeah, but
forget that song there. Him forget that song there.
Brother, them song they drop and then it just alright. Them song they can boss artists, brother. Why them song they can't boss artists? And that may I show you, G, them song they can boss artists, brother.
True.
Make him come out now, come sing about rap and tam and pie and you see what I'm rough, brother.
Okay, Kishka too. The youth name Unsound Mind.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so this the artist name.
And the song name Funny How.
Yeah, Funny How, yeah. Bumbleclad, walk and talk.
Yo, let me tell you what, man, day. Walk and talk come on me yard that day, you know. See? Yeah. Come on my office, I'm not talking, I'm gonna leave this again. And there the gate, come on the gate. Yo, walk and talk, open up. I said, open up. So I send the security go there, and security I say, yo, the place locked. Yo, walk and talk, Romeich, I'm done. So my man say, come and say, yo, walk and talk. So I say, yo, I don't know about walk and talk, I don't know about chat and laugh. So, okay, let him in.
Man, not lie, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
So, he must say, yo, tell Romeich and me. So I say, brother, yo, the place locked. Place, the hear the man now. Hey, I don't know, say, a dub, I come for do it thing. So I check things, say, none of dub forgive me, I beg him, I beg a dub. I would just say, yo, hear me, I say, now, a struggling youth, but go on. But here, why I'm not sorry for him now, no lava. Every time I see walk and talk, putting on weight. So that means you not suffer, brother. I lie, me I tell.
But your people stress and just eat food all heap, you know.
That means, say, all right, then you're comfortable and you have money. We don't want to see you. We want to deal with the people and help strive people and when I have it, none at all, zero. So what we do? No, more tell me if my unfair or foolish is me at all, bro.
In terms for Adim.
Eh?
In terms for Adim.
Yo, I mean, say Instagram can add 3 or 4 people now.
I lie. me dying for life can't do that.
Yo, if we can add 2 people, a problem.
A problem over here.
Just 2 more. That's not even 1 more person, a problem, eh?
All right, my ad. My call about there. Call
me. Yeah.
Where problem, Lava?
You go on my dopes?
They are celebrate my president win.
With you, I'm right. Celebrate too.
Yeah, I celebrate Lava because my president win.
Celebrate too.
And most of my friends, they are crew, them all come out, you know.
True.
Some of my friends, they are crew, them all come out, you know.
True.
Enough for the people them from Jamaica can visa, go run, you know, love.
True.
And we can get free medical now from Obamacare. Everything I run now, love, everything.
True.
You get poor, and they lock out some people, love. But me do want to ask Romeich why him unfollow the child. That me do want to ask him. Because I know him read everybody comment. I know him see my comment and him not read it. Because him go like him want, him go like him don't see it. And him go like him can't read. I know him can't read. So I just want me see it. I type it about 20 times. I know him is a man read comment and him go like him never read a comment there. But I just want to ask him why him unfollow the child.
All right then.
So you call me a lava?
No,
that's not good enough.
No, I think I just.
That's not good enough.
No, I think I just that alone. The one said.
I just want to know why I'm unfollow the child. That's how I want to ask him. And big up all of them girls at Jamaica. No so can go. I want to get up. Not the girl in my Jamaica. I want to get up. Every dollar I get, I want to open a bank account. I want to open a business account because Visa go run, you know. Everybody will come, my friend. Everybody will get them wings. Visa go run, you know. All I'm looking for them, them have a crew, them I get free up, you know. Everything free up, you know, love. And then the income tax are coming, and then the stimulus, everything are going. I want everything in play, you know, love, everything. Thank God for America.
So you get your stimulus almost 12 bills.
Where's that?
12 bills for the stimulus next stimulus, right?
No,
12 bills.
The man they said $2,000, so I wonder if I work with the $2,000 love. I work with the $2,000. I remember saying, no, lava, you're there part of the politics in a fine because I remember saying, star right about you. People don't go over the Jamaica Gleaner. I said, the Jamaica Gleaner, the
Jamaica Star.
And I'm right when time President Joe Biden, Joseph R. Biden.
Yeah, the star contacted me yesterday and asked a couple of questions. They contacted me yesterday.
Yes, I'm see your name over there in the star lava. Say you vote for him, and you feel good. Say you vote for him. And you know, say the future will look brighter when you vote for him. I mean, like that because you name the over this stuff. You name the over this, darling. We not everything, we not politics, we not everybody.
No.
Yes, I said, last time I can't bother with somebody who know. On the law, Jamaica politics are poor people thing. In that 5 minutes, I say politics, you get double figure and triple figure and the money and the something.
And $1,400 and you're going to get $1,400.
A piece?
Yeah, one time and that's it.
Well, that better than anything.
Yeah.
That better than anything. So I'm looking for them. All I know, when I get up, any account, bank account, when I open, when I get up, I go open one that say business account like when I have a business. I want to have a business, find one name, give one business. I open my account tonight and save the money in there. So
if they can't just do that, they have to register the business first.
Everything. Them know that part, they're going to register the business.
You have to tell them have to register the business first and then want me the bank account.
But I'll go one fool and know the business not to register.
Then people just name one send them business name and go to the bank.
Okay, so now get the business. We now come over lava and now go beg lava our money to register the business. Ladies, now listen to me. We now get one business, call the business any name and register the business. When I register the business, now if you don't have money for register the business, we want to come back, chat and laugh. I want to show no one the business name and I will show everything. I will get the business license because Romeich will help you too. And lava will help you. And then now, when I have the business account, I go and put little money in it. And then now, when I try for the visa area. You understand me?
Right.
Then if you want to sell weed, you name the blood clot business, weed business. I want to cure if I weed, you sell. Name your business, medicine. If I weed, you sell. Name your business, medicine. This is a medical weed, man. Because they have the medical weed that's foreign around now. So, you can be the medical weed man. And then because something about not stop you, be a medical weed man. And go get the visa them. So when you can come and find more time, they lava, keep tall boots. And in party them when you can come party with me. I want to they get free and now go and get to the visa. Get to the thing together to get the visa.
What can talk for Europe and Adam?
Why can't I contact and I don't hear you right now? Why can't I? So go and go while I walk. But I want hear you know. Go and go while I walk. Where Romeich say? Kind of Romeich a trouble me.
What say? No, me not see.
Love of Romeich. If them a love of Romeich. Wherever Romeich.
No, me see Romeich time. No, me not same time. No, me not same time. Nothing.
So why them a love? I don't love at Romeich.
Me not know, you know.
I might come here more time. I talk about fucking, but me not tell you nothing wrong. So the shall
yeah, true. Go on hold the floor for me. I go close the window complete, you know. No, you're cold tonight. Very cold.
On the very cold?
We must have piece of cold breeze on it tonight.
Then I must. The whole of foreign,
yeah,
the whole of foreign cold and minus 40.
All right then. All right then. So my one on there. Go on hold off the floor for me. Close the window and forward back.
All right. Because remember now, the whole of foreign a negative 45. So the whole of over your cold. And we have to have a long john and long jacket and trench coat and socks and gloves. Because negative 45. So now listen me now and listen me good. Because I'm not telling no fuck we are now. Oh, I'm saying I'm going to spend the money for him. Then if I'm here spend the money I'm going to spend good. Because I love share. So listen what I'm going to do now, little young girls and little big and little boys. I want to get up and name on a company, any name one business company, and license it. Start from there, so I'm ready to go for the visa now. When I have no something with them, when I have no business, something can use it. Like I say, when I come, my friend to come shop for no business and whatever. You understand me? What I mean, tell you, I not tell nobody. So I just don't go deal with the thing. You see me, yeah, man, roll over your cold, man. Right now, I'm negative 45 degrees.
Oh.
The whole of foreign clothes, cold, a negative 45 degrees.
Who is Miss Hollywood, goodness _ Lala. I want to see your face.
Oh, Romeich said to turn on the light. Then Romeich should say, you can give me money to pay the light bill, Romeich. You don't know some love bag. I mean him. You think over there so beggy. I beggy little wicked Nicky. Yeah, beggy little wicked Nicky. The light is here, Romeich. I choose not to turn on the light.
So yeah, big money and having big hairstyle and big eyelash.
Big hairstyle, blood clot, lava $20 for the wig. What do you?
Manala, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Dear wig, me not a lace front wig and then money the lava. At $20 for the wig. I love my wig because them at $20 wig can come on and come off lava. Me can cock it up on my head top like hat. Me can take it like a hat and take it up like a cap and warm till lava. Lava come out of my business lava.
Alright, sorry.
Come out of my business lava, my president.
Sorry.
The $20 word lava because me can put it on like a hat and take it off like a hat and me can catch it from
sideways.
And catch it and then because some little pam one pam because I'm not cheerleader, so I'm not two pam cheer.
Yeah, Romeich, send something, Romeich.
Don't worry about no big hairstyle.
Yeah, Romeich, send something, Romeich. Romeich, send something.
Lava no big hairstyle now going yesterday. Hairstyle and him $19.99 plus tax lava. And me can't
Romeich, send something for you.
Me can't take that like
Romeich, send something for you.
Yes, and if the lace
Romeich, send something for you.
If the lace front the down, if it's not glued up, I'm going to have to take it off. Okay. Yeah, man. Obviously, big up yourself, spot like I know you're party March 7. Allow I know see I come back a Florida February 7. So I want some new merch.
No problem.
And put it on.
So Romeich run the money.
Yeah, put it on Romeich bill. Because I remember saying Romeich want the white suit for Shenseea. And he want the blue one.
Continue. A 5 suit in one. 5.
All right, put my one on it, make 6.
Okay. No, but for asking first. No, I have to ask him first.
No, we are about the thing. Small.
But listen. Well, if you beg the man one sweatsuit, then beg the man the sweatsuit, then beg him something, I mean, to send some money over here to fear.
No, I'm not going to want the sweatsuit right now.
I want sweatsuit right now. Okay.
Yeah,
you must pay your feet.
Foreign cold lava right now, negative 45 degrees.
Yes.
All right.
All right then. Big up yourself.
I'll get to the thing together. I'll get to the business account. I'm getting ready to get the visa because visa will run now. While I not come foreign.
Talk truth.
Bye, lava.
Big up yourself and stay the line because we're going to walk and talk. I'm going to talk. All right.
No, walk and talk. Can't talk.
No. Well, on them. All right, call you back. Well, I'm people. Oh, my.
Money.
yo.
Want something to you now? Watch it. Pay $1. Out.
At. No, Sheng, listen. If I never tell you, man, let out the secret. Romeich don't pay for a sweatsuit. Chatham last sweatsuit for you already.
Lie.
Yes.
Yes.
Him don't pay for the Chatham last sweatsuit for you already.
For Christmas, extend man, black boy.
Yeah, extend. I pay for one for black boy too.
What?
Five sweatsuit in pay for.
Close.
Yeah, can him say I think around the Valentine weekend they must have got their Connecticut also. Yes, him say the running time.
New
Jersey, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So don't worry yourself. The your sweatsuit there already.
I see her go on, I see her rings my song. Thank you so much. And we get to post that video. Big up Cartel, come see say I put up a one bag of money pull up.
Yes.
Salava, and my son, you know, even give me a little commission, a little no.
No, it was my birthday.
And that's how you for me.
No, yeah, I did my birthday, Sheng. I couldn't do that, Sheng.
Oh, you're lucky. So
yes,
you can ask me where you want for your birthday? Let me give you your birthday.
Just send some dope plate, come give me.
Which one? Which two?
Alright then. I go on lighter.
You don't get lighter dope plate already?
No.
I never got none for it. Lava.
You
God,
see
to me
it?
to send there in the studio.
And alright, can I get 3?
Alright, go on with the 3.
Alright. One a lighter. I'm one a new bad girl one that you have. And the one yeah, I'm on the next one about the side chick. That me and the girl them meet up in a party. I need that one day.
Alright, mega start it. Promise. And if you don't get it, you can come on social media and blast me because
no, that's a mistake. Like how long we forget then before we blast you?
Well,
to the Wednesday.
We have to go wait till next week. Come on there.
Alright, listen though. I give you 1 week.
1 week.
So
and some jingle.
Yes. If I get it by now on Wednesday, yes, a blood clot me dead now. Okay?
Alright, black boy, back me up, you know.
Yeah. Cover.
Alright. If you have to remember, remind me.
Sheng, listen message here. Come, draw close and tell you something. You see the same night when I play the song, a lighter me I play now. Cartel send me $4,000.
Pussy clot. You buy some pussy?
No. Sheng, listen now. Cartel and Romeich in a money pull up clash. And lighter. Romeich lighter out.
Romeich, this look good. Yo, I'm gonna give an extra right now.
Yo, listen. It's when Romeich dropped the 5 and Carter got 5 and Romeich got $501. Emily Carter by $1. And Carter go $502. The Carter I lead by $1. And Carter say, oh, pay back later again. And Carter got 1,000. They were waiting for Romeich and Romeich like, gone, cut off. Cut off, darkness, watch it. They want to say, yo, the lighter must run out of gas. Must out of gas. And he must flash the lighter. You know you flash the lighter, he has strike it. Nah,
when you come up my life,
No, I'm dead about. No, I'm there go easy, man. I'm tired. That's all right, do you think, brother? But it was a good one, though.
It was a good one. Yourself, I'm glad to say you get to live to see another year. I wish you many, many more. Happy belated birthday.
Thank you very much.
No, I have love for you. I rate you. Because everything that's on live right now.
You know that. Because I the first time I see we're there, Florida. Remember me, I said, I've seen this in person. I'm going to tell everybody, say, yeah, you know, you have some female, them pretty on the gram, but you see them in real life. Yeah. You remain that way there. No, you remain that way there.
Thank you.
Yeah, remain that way there. And big up yourself and wish you all the best too.
Big up.
Romeich, hold on there. Romeich,
come on the live, yeah.
16,000 odd. Romeich. No disrespect, but since you have a boss more than you.
Yo, I can't stay up on the live now because
Romeich, since you have a boss more than you. When you come over here, my number. Romeich, when you come over here, my number no move. You not bring nobody with a brother.
Part of me a part
But
time,
Sheng,
man. Part of me a part time.
all right then. Sheng, big up yourself, and thank you very much, yeah?
Bye.
Big up yourself. All right then. See you there. Big her up. Hero one! Outer road. Big up.
No.